We're going to multiply two polynomials. We have the product, the quantity x minus y times the quantity x squared minus xy minus y squared. And to do this, we can use the distributive law. I'm going to multiply x minus y by each of the terms of the second polynomial factor. So I'm going to have x minus y times this term, x squared, and then I'll have x minus y times the next term, which is negative 1 xy or negative xy. And finally, I will have x minus y times the third term. And now I'm going to use the distributive law again in each of these three products to simplify it a little further. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times the opposite of y is the opposite of x squared y. The opposite of xy times x gives me the opposite of x squared y. And doing the second multiplication here, I get plus xy squared. The opposite of y squared times x gives me the opposite of xy squared. And this final multiplication gives me plus y cubed. Now I've done all the multiplications, but I need to look and see if there are any like terms that I can combine. I have just one x cubed term here, so I can't combine that with anything. I have an x squared y here and an x squared y here, so we can combine those two. So I have the x cubed, and when I combine these terms, I get minus 2 x squared y. These two terms add up to 0. Xy squared minus xy squared is 0. And finally, I have the y cubed term. So this is the product.